Changes are a-coming to YouTube Shorts, vertical lives, and channel banners and links. If you're creating content on YouTube, pay attention. I'm going to tell you what's being removed, what's being added, and when it's all going down. I'm Larry Petrucci from Livestreaming Pros. Let's dig in. Now, while you might be tempted to freak out about this, don't. This is a perfect opportunity as a video creator and entrepreneur to rethink your content strategy because of these changes. First, what is being removed by YouTube and why? Number one, the shorts. You know, those 15 to 60-second short form videos will no longer have clickable links in either the description or the comments. Number two, it's the same for vertical live streams, which now show up in the shorts feed itself. I did a whole breakdown of that new feature. The link to that ultimate guide is below. And number three, channel banner icons and links are also being removed. They are replacing that with something. I'll show you that in a minute. As entrepreneurs, this removal of links can feel potentially harmful to getting viewers to take action with you and go further, since people actually usually link to a call to action or maybe a secondary long form video or their channel from the shorts, comments, and descriptions. Or if you have sponsors who require their link to be posted in the description, that's a moment right there, right? I will give you some strategies to consider now that we can't do that anymore. I want you to watch the video after this one. So why are they doing this? Okay, well, it really boils down to the amount of impersonation, scams, and spam happening across shorts that are causing a level of real-world harm to both viewers and creators. It's at such a high level of harm that YouTube is forced to make these changes. Essentially, the scale at which spammers can create shorts super quickly and easily makes fighting these spammers like a constant game of whack-a-mole. Long-form spam is slower to create and much easier for YouTube to fight. Now, what's being added? So I told you that they're taking away the channel banner icons and links, but the good news is they're replacing them with the ability to have up to 12 channel links. You're going to see a primary link on the channel right under the description and the ability to click to access all the links that you've set. Now, this is much more like Instagram or TikTok than we've seen previously on YouTube. The second thing that they're adding is called content links. So since you can't add a clickable link to your shorts, what you can do is add a single video that gets linked to like this. Now, viewers can click that video icon where it says a breath of fresh air, and it'll link them to the long form or a live stream or a premiere or another short, as long as that secondary content is set to public or unlisted. Now, the content that you link can only be your own content, and for now, it will only work in the studio on the web, not on mobile. So when's it all going down? When does this happen? Well, today, August 10th, the channel banner icons will be removed and you can start editing your channel profile links. By August 23rd, the channel links will be fully rolled out and viewable to everyone. By August 31st, the delinking process will begin on shorts and vertical lives, so you'll want to make any changes to descriptions or comments before then. You could use YouTube Studio's bulk editor, that's free, but I'd recommend using TubeBuddy's bulk edit feature instead, as it's going to be way more controllable and fine-tuned than the version in YouTube Studio backend. If you don't have TubeBuddy yet, there is a link in the description with a free trial. Now, by the end of September, the gradual rollout of content links will begin. Your next step is to understand that this is happening, not freak out or get pissy about it, but to instead get super strategic about connecting different pieces of content together to move your viewers effectively to the call to actions you want them to take. And that is exactly what I cover in the next video, so watch that now and start taking action. This way.